Hello, my name is Trent Jansen. In this audio, I will be discussing the thoughts I have about the research I have conducted while writing my research paper. I will also be answering a few questions related to how I would like to organize my writing for Chapter 3 of my research paper. This will also include what I have to say about my paper. These four questions are: what steps do I still need to take to complete Chapter 3, which is about what I say successfully? Am I missing any viewpoints that might further support my topic? How can I intertwine what they say into my own personal views? And last, is there anything my professor can do to support me in Chapter 3 or the I Say chapter? First off, I'll begin with a general analysis of my research and then I'll answer these questions. Based off all the research I've done while writing about my topic, I've made several conclusions about my topic. As a reminder, my topic is: how do different methods of exercise, primarily cardio and strength training, affect weight loss and general health? While conducting my research, I found that strength exercise and cardio exercise are both excellent ways to help someone lose weight if utilized properly. For example, when doing strength exercises, such as weightlifting, the body must be worked to a very high point of stress because weightlifting itself does not burn many calories. The reason why it is still extremely beneficial to help with weight loss, however, is because after a strength workout, the body experiences what is called the afterburn effect. This means that the body must use energy to recover from the workout or repair the muscles that have been worked extremely hard. It burns calories to help it achieve this. If a strength workout is not strenuous enough, the body will not have to burn near as many calories to repair itself, causing the total amount of calories burnt to be lower. The same thing happens with cardio workouts. If a person goes for a long, slow run, they will burn around the same total amount of calories as if they went for a short, fast, and intense run. Although the person spent a much smaller amount of time on the second run than the first, they did it at a much higher intensity, causing them to burn more calories per minute of exercise to fuel themselves. Also, because the second workout was at a much higher intensity than the first, their body will experience the afterburn effect at a much higher degree than the first workout, helping them to burn even more calories. This method of exercising is extremely beneficial for people who are pressed for time. For example, if someone only has 10 to 15 minutes to do a workout, they'll benefit much more from doing a HIIT workout than if they did 15 minutes of low intensity cycling or running. HIIT stands for high intensity interval workout. A HIIT workout can vary in its structure, but a typical HIIT workout is made up of several different exercises that are cycled through in sets until the desired amount of exercise has been achieved. A typical HIIT workout setup consists of each of these exercises being performed for 30 to 60 seconds, taking a short recovery of 20 to 30 seconds, and then moving on to the next exercise until the total duration of exercise has been achieved. Next, I would like to answer several questions I have about my research paper. The first question that I'd like to answer is: what steps do I still need to take to complete Chapter 3, which is about what I say, successfully? There are still a couple of steps I still need to take to successfully complete Chapter 3 of my research paper. I've conducted a ton of research about my topic and have thus formulated a decently strong opinion about it, but I still feel that I need to research more about the personal opinions about people studying the effects of exercise on themselves. This ties into the next question I'd like to answer, which is: am I missing any viewpoints that might further support my topic? The main way I hope to answer this question is by interviewing two individuals who have an interest in exercising and how it affects their health and their bodies in general. I feel that once I've collected this information, I can make a much stronger opinion about what I think or I say about my topic. The third question I'd like to answer is: how can I intertwine what they say into my own personal views? Although I may have my own views and opinions on my topic and how exercise should be utilized, my opinion was generated based off the research I conducted. So although I may not completely agree with one source of information, I may partially agree with it or agree with one of the points it is making and intertwine it with other sources of information. By doing this, I am formulating my own opinion, but I'm still using credible information from credible sources to back it up. The fourth and final question I'd like to answer is there anything my professor can do to support me in Chapter 3, or the I Say chapter? At this point, the only help I might need is another source of information. I would greatly appreciate it if not only my professor, but anyone could give me their opinion on what I am studying. I always appreciate other people's viewpoints and know that my own viewpoint may not always be the correct one. By studying other people's viewpoints about not just my topic, but information in general, I can strengthen my own viewpoint about that subject. Alright, that concludes the questions I have about writing Chapter 3 of my research paper, as well as a general conclusion of my thoughts about my topic thus far. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this VoiceThread audio. I sincerely appreciate it. All references for this audio will be linked in the submission. Thank you.